Hey everybody, I am going to be doing a dirty acrylic pour, or yeah, I think that's what it's called. All of the supplies will be listed down below, so if you're curious to know where to purchase them or what I'm using exactly, then you could see the description box down below. So I am doing a dirty pour, which means you pour all of the acrylic paints in one jar or cup, and then you just kind of flip it over onto the canvas or whatever surface you're going to paint on. So I'm using one of the Prima marketing watercolor panels, and what I did was I took some of the white Dylusions paint and I just spread a light layer, like a thin layer on top of it. And then you saw me pour all of the acrylic paints into the cup, and then they are all Dylusions paints, and so that's why what I'm using today. And then I just put in a couple drops of the Cell Creator. Now this type of art or craft is really new to me still, so if you're wanting a really in-depth tutorial, or somebody that might know a little bit more than me, I would suggest going over to Mixed Media Girl here on YouTube. She is amazing. She is always doing live videos and just always fun stuff. She's super talented and sweet. So anyway, so I poured that, or I flipped the panel over and let the paint kind of just pour out, and I'm just going to be tilting it back and forth, just trying to get just cool effect and look to the panel here. And I'm going to be adding a little bit more paint in just a second. I didn't add as much paint as I probably should have, so I'm just going to pour it on there. And the individual colors do not have the Cell Creator in it, so I think that's why one half of the panel had a bunch of little cells and then the other half didn't, because I had poured a lot of just regular acrylic paint on top of it. So I did some of the gray, the blue, and then white, and I'm just gonna kind of tilt the panel back and forth. Just going to continue to do this. I sped this part up quite a bit. I believe it's 9 times as fast. And I just wanted to put this on here so you could kind of see how the paint is kind of just doing its own thing, creating all those cool cells and all of that sort of thing. I just find it very fascinating, very soothing, this type of art, and yeah, it's just super cool. So I am actually going to do another panel here, and I add the what is this, the pouring medium, and then I'm going to actually do each paint separately. So I can't remember exactly, let me see if it says it on the back here. It is 3 to 1. So I don't think I added enough paint to the pouring medium, but I am still learning. I will definitely improve, but this one is just kind of what I had left over from pouring the acrylic paints into the cups, so I just kind of wanted to use them up and create something else. My daughter loves these. She really enjoys looking at them and just kind of seeing what she can see in the painting. So it's kind of cool to hear what she, you know, kind of sees creatively on these kind of art pieces. All right, so I'm going to directly pour the colors onto the panel here, and I don't have, you know, too much of each color, but I just wanted to add the last little bits in these little cups, and then I think I have the majority of some of the paint that was left over in one cup. So you could see here that I just kind of added it into one again. It's mostly green. This one's going to be mostly green. So, but it's cool. I love the colors, and I love doing this type of art. I wish I had more, you know, time to do this, and it kind of stresses me out how much mess it creates and how much overage that you get. So I definitely want to try to figure out a way to minimize the overage because I hate wasting, you know, paints, especially these Dylusion paints. They are not cheap. So yeah, but again, if you are curious with any of the products that I'm using, be sure to check out the description box below. And I am doing the same sort of thing, kind of tilting it back and forth, letting it do its thing. And I don't believe that there was any silk creator in this one. I don't think that I added any, so it's just going to be sort of flat and just kind of color on there. And I actually did try something. I tried to add some alcohol inks to this one. I'm not going to share it, but yeah, it ended up being a hot mess in the end. But I add some of the Alchemy metallic, I believe it's Dragon's Eye paint to this panel here, and that is going to complete this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I cannot talk. Subscribe button, and don't forget to share this on social media, and I will catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.